Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.